Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. It's Diane's Decorating and More. I am stopping by the channel today to share with you exactly what I'm doing with this little tray here. Yes, it looks weird. It is an ice cube tray, a ball one at that. Look at that. It is a ball tray. And I have added some strawberries to this tray. Yes, I have. And I wanted you guys to see exactly what I was going to do. So, I am putting together real quickly some strawberries and some cranberries and blueberries in these little balls. You can add fresh or frozen. These are frozen. My strawberries are fresh. And I've already washed everything and taken off the green top of the strawberries. This is going to create a delicious ice cube for any drink that you have. Whether you're celebrating holidays or you're just enjoying your relaxation for the evening. And you can pop these little balls into your drinks, okay? All right, so next up, we're gonna go ahead and add in what I like to do, making it all berries. Some cranberries, just a hand pinch of those in there as well. Give you a close-up shot of that. All right, and then next we're gonna add, what you can do is add your orange juice, apple juice, any type of fruit juice that you like. Or if you're a person that indulges in alcohol, you can add that in there. It's your choice. Here, I'm going to be adding in my juice of choice. I'm going to put on the lid. Yes, this is the lid. It is the lid. And we're going to lay it right on top of there, just like that. All right. Just pressing it into place like that. And it comes with this little gadget right here, a funnel, and the little holes there. That's what you pour your juice in with, just like that. All right. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour in the juice. Hopefully I can make this work using one hand and holding the camera with the other. All right, looking off in there. Okay, it's just about full. Wow, it takes a lot, I see. Okay. Continue to pour until it is full. Okay, I think it's full now. It's starting to run over. Okay, we're going to take a break and be right back, and I'll come back and let you see exactly how these things look, okay? Okay, stepping back on to show you the bottom of the tray. As you can see there, all 6 balls are now full. They're going to be placed in the refrigerator until everything is frozen solid. And I'll come back and show you exactly what that looks like. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back, and this is part 2 of our ice cubes with this special tray here. Okay, and I brought you back. They've been in the freezer for about 5 hours, guys. 5 hours. Okay, as you can see, it comes right off. All right, that was the bottom. Okay, all right, so we're gonna set this to the side, and then I'm gonna give you a close-up shot of what these actually look like. Okay, have a little juice there on the bottom, some drippings there, but that's just from the sweat. Okay, right there. Camera gives that a little justice there. All right, so we're gonna clean up a little bit around the edges there. All right, so now we have a big container. Okay. Okay, it's a big jar here. I'm gonna show you a big cup. All right, see that? Okay. All right, so we're gonna set this here. That now, I'm gonna try and get these out of here. I have not used this before, so we're gonna try. Never my my tongue's here. Okay, so that's it. Close up. That's the ice cube. Okay, the round ball ice cube. Remember, I put strawberries and what was it, blueberries and cranberries in there. So we're gonna put that in there like that. All right, and this is a 6-part tray. So these can be used for personal, individual drinking of your favorite juice, your favorite beverage, and if you are making punch, excellent idea that you can use these for too. Okay, so this is just an idea that I wanted to share with you about this new tray that I got. So that's why I'm sharing it on my channel, to let you know that it's out there. And I will put the place where I purchased these. Okay, turn it around so you can see it real good there. All right, in the content section below in the video. So look for the name of the store where I bought these from, okay? In the link there, just click on the link and you'll be able to see exactly where I purchased this tray, okay? All right, so like I said, you can use these in anything like your beverages and so on and so forth. And you can change up. You don't have to use fruit. You can use flowers. I've seen people put edible flowers in these trays, and along with different colors of beverages, and it comes out so beautiful. And I've seen them make savory, believe it or not, punches with this also. And I haven't ventured that far, but should I? I'll do a video on that too, so you can get a chance to see how that turns out, because this turns out really, really nice. I really like what I am seeing here, how the little balls, they form perfectly, and I'm sure they're gonna taste delicious in the drink. I'm using apple juice. You can use whatever juice you want, but I'm using apple juice. All right. And this is the apple juice I'm using to pour into my glass. Wow, that's a lot of apple juice. I'll have to share this. Okay, all right. See, that's what it looks like when it's full. And the cubes are in there. See that? All right, so now comes the taste part. Maybe should I let it sit, see if some of the flavors of the fruit is gonna actually, gradually seep into the apple juice. But apple juice already has its own natural flavors. So let's just see. Oh, wow. That tastes good. That tastes so good. It really does. And those cubes are gonna hold up for quite some time. So if you are sitting on your patio or wherever you are, trust and believe these ice cubes, as large as they are, they will last. So you don't have to worry about that going away or your drink becoming, warm. These large ice cubes, okay, will flavor whatever you put them into, and it will also keep it cool. All right, so I just wanted to pop on and share that new purchase there with you guys and how I use it for my drink. Okay, and hopefully you can get a little tip there from
what I'm sharing with you guys there on the channel, okay? And that's Diane's Decorating and More. All right, stay tuned. There are more little creative little ideas like that coming your way. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.